Hello friends, welcome to your channel Stock Dr. RR. As you all aware, here we do technical analysis on index and some of its stocks. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I would request you to subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell icon so that you will get notification on all of the videos which I am going to post in the future. So, if you see here for the Dow Jones, last week we clearly mentioned that Dow Jones can provide or can show an uptrend from here. I mentioned that 33,000 is acting as a very good support for that, and my targets were 33,500, 33,750, and 34,150. Dow Jones achieved all its three targets. Right now, Dow Jones is trading at 34,430. Now, if you see here, Dow Jones had a very good support on the trend lines and which got broke here. Now, Dow Jones is trying to reclaim that support. So now I am seeing that Dow Jones will face a resistance between 34,570 and 34,650. But I feel that if once Dow Jones starts trading above 34,570, then Dow Jones can give the targets of 34,700, 34,800, and 34,900. Okay, so remember here 34,570, this level. If Dow Jones starts trading above this level for 15 minutes, then it can show you the level of 34,650, 34,700, 34,800, and 34,900. These should be the three targets for the Dow Jones. And Dow Jones will have the support around 34,450, right? So if somebody wants to take the position in the Dow Jones, he needs to wait until it cross above 34,570. My bias is bullish on the, I mean, I'm having a bullish bias on the Dow Jones at this point of time. So let's see how it goes from here. So the next stock we have here is, sorry, the next index here we have is Nasdaq. If you have seen my video, last week videos, I have clearly mentioned that 14,200, unless and until it don't breach that level, we will wait. The reason was clear. It made this top 40, it tried to make, I mean, it made the first top at 14,200 here, second top was here, third top was here, and after that, it created the bearish candle. And that's why I clearly mentioned that once it starts trading above 14,200 and sustain above it, then it will show the bigger targets. So now if you see here, here it's kind of the first, you can say first top it made here, second top it created here, and third top was here. We predicted that either it can give upside from this or it can create a third top, right? But it didn't create a third top, and now it break its resistance here, and now it is trading around 14,360. So friends, my target is big now on the Nasdaq, right? But Nasdaq is not going to go up from here in uh, one way, right? So it will give some consolidation and then it will show a uptrend. So now let's see here what should be the targets. So I am saying that buy above, just a moment. So my view here for the Nasdaq is buy above 14,400 for the targets of 14,500, 14,600 for the short term, and 14,800 plus plus on the medium term zone, right? So if you see here, let me change this in the 30 minutes time frame. Here I'm saying that now the Nasdaq is trading in this channel, and once it starts trading above 14,400 for 10 to 15 minutes, you will be seeing sharp up move for 14,500 and 14,600, right? And as I mentioned, 14,800 is a medium term target. Long term target is big, which I don't want to reveal now. Let's see whether index try to trade above 14,800. Nasdaq has a support at 14,300, and the major support is coming around 14,200. The next index we have here is S&P 500. My bias is bullish on S&P 500 also. It has a good support at 4240. 4240. It has a good support at that level, 4240. If you see here, this is a good support level, and now it is trying to cross this channel. Once it start, closing above this channel and sustaining there, then it can give the target of 4330, 4360, and 44,000, 4400. Sorry. So I mean, once it cross 4300, then it can show 4330, 4360, and 4400. The next is gold futures. So if you see here, gold has a long term resistance here. It broke that resistance and it went up till 1915. Now it broke that trend line resistance here, but it didn't sustain above that. And in few trading session, or you can say in after 1 month, it broke that resistance again, and now it is trading below that. So for gold, if I do analysis on shorter time frame, then it looks like gold is trying to go towards its channel top one more time. So if you ask me for the short term, then gold is trying to go towards from here, right? Currently it is trading at 1781. Okay, high probability that it can go towards from 1781 to 1788, 1794, and if it starts sustaining above that level, then it's a kind of breakout, right? Then it can go towards 1800, and then above staying 1800, it can go towards 1820 and 1850. So above 1800 there is a big breakout, okay, and that breakout can go towards 1820 and 1850. On the downside, okay, on the downside, there is a demand zone, there is a supply zone between 1766 and 1772. These two lines, these two red lines, is a good supply zone. If gold starts trading below 1766, then there is a big downside, right? And that can lead towards 1750 here, 1720, and 1670. Okay, just a moment. See, if there is a breakdown from 1766, then it can go towards 1750. From here, if there is a breakdown, then 1750, 1720, and 1670. These are the three targets. The next index or next commodity we have is silver. For silver, the same thing. Just a moment. Okay, so this is day chart. Let's move to 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes time frame, if you see here, silver is trying to go towards the higher end of the channel, and it it is trying to go towards 2630 and 2650. These are the two targets, and if it starts trading about 2650, then it can show you the higher targets of 27 and 27.5. Means here 26.85, 27 and 27.5. Okay, and it has a good support between 25.75 here and 25.85. Now, why I am showing you guys these short levels, or you can say levels on shorter time frame, because if you're trading in the future, then this index and these commodities can give you very good returns if you follow the uh, levels very well. Okay, and that's why I am giving you all the levels with the proper support and resistance numbers. So now, if silver starts trading below 25.75, then big downside side is possible up to 24.90 and 24, and the resistance will be at 26. This is the resistance. This will be the resistance. Means once it starts trading below from here, below, once it start closing below 25.75, then it can go towards 24.9 and 24. Okay, let me show here. Here, so it is not coming actually. See, for from here 25.75, once it start trading below that, then it can go towards the levels which I mentioned. All right. So one thing I want to mention you guys, I have created one slide and I would like to share that with you all. Just so this slide. This slide says that we want to use a KISS theory, which is nothing but keep it simple and stupid, wait for the right setup, follow the discipline, and you can do it. So if you have right setup and if you act on your setup with belief and you follow the discipline, then you are going to get a good returns on your investment. All right. So this is all about analysis for today. In case you like this video, please don't forget to uh, comment there, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and let us all get benefited from this. All right. Thank you, guys.